my name is Tapsya and welcome back to Brainstorm. Today we'll be learning about the human nervous system. The human nervous system is divided into three parts: the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, and the autonomic nervous system. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the central nervous system. The central nervous system basically consists of the brain and the spinal cord. They both are really delicate organs, so the brain is protected by the skull and the spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column. So let's start with the brain. The brain is the main control center of our body. It's very delicate, so it's protected by the skull. It's divided into three parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata. So let's start with the cerebrum. The cerebrum is the pink part that you can see here. It is the largest part of the brain and is divided into two hemispheres called as the cerebral hemispheres. It consists of two portions, the white matter and the gray matter. The gray matter consists of the cell bodies and the white matter consists of the axons. So its main function is that it regulates the speech, the hearing, the taste, the vision, and it also is responsible for the intelligence, speech, language, etc. Now we have the next part, which is the cerebellum. The cerebellum is the orange part you can see in this model, and it is the smallest part of the brain. It is located in the back below the cerebrum. Its main function is that it maintains the balance of our body while walking, jogging, running, cycling, etc. And it also regulates and coordinates the voluntary activities, the muscular activities. Now we have the next part, which is the medulla oblongata. It is located in the posterior part of the brain and it connects the brain to the spinal cord. Its main function is that it controls all of the involuntary activities like the blood pressure, the beating of the heart, and peristalsis. Now let's see how the brain works. So first there's a stimulus. A stimulus is basically a change to which our body responds to. Then there's a sense organ. Then the brain receives the message, processes the message, forms a response for that message. Then it goes to the body part, and then our body acts accordingly. Now there are some disorders that occur in the brain. Some of them are like brain tumor. So what is brain tumor? Brain tumor is basically the growth of abnormal cells in your brain. Some of them are cancerous, whereas some are non-cancerous. Now since it sounds really scary, you might want to know the preventions. So some of the preventions are that avoid smoking, avoid contact with pesticides and insecticides, avoid unnecessary contact with radiation. Some of the causes is that it's usually hereditary, or you are having too much contact with radiation, insecticides, pesticides, and you're smoking. Its treatments are like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgeries. Thank you! Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe, stay happy, and make others also happy. Bye!